Last month, Elon Musk tweeted a link to this video which shows Grasshopper rocket's test flight and landing. Very cool video. Elon Musk is the founder and CEO of SpaceX, the company that carried out this test. And then, in the middle of the test, a herd of cows runs in front of the camera. The description says, no cows were injured during the making of this video. Seeing that folks at SpaceX like to crack jokes, I replied to Elon. So a plan B if something went terribly wrong was, let's enjoy a barbecue? Implying, of course, that in the event of a giant explosion, those poor cows would be well done steaks. Of course, Elon didn't reply to my tweet. I don't think he even has time to read replies, with all the work he has to do. In addition to SpaceX, he is also involved with Tesla Motors, they produce electric cars, and Solar City, which installs solar energy systems. I'm actually a big fan of Elon Musk. He's one of the greatest visionaries and entrepreneurs of our time. To grasp his way of thinking, consider this. When BBC's science correspondent Jonathan Amos asked him about the timeline for his Mars endeavors, Elon Musk said that he hopes to send a first person to Mars in 10 to 15 years. And then he added this. We can't wait too long, because I don't want to be so old that I can go. Awesome. If Elon Musk was a computer file, he would be .exe.